Here we are again, episode 14. I've got to tell you that outside is really bad weather. What would you have on a day like that? A stormy beef stew. That's what we're going to do. The guys are here, we've got some great songs for you, so let's get on with it.
Live, do you hear me? Hear my creation!
Beef economics again. Chuck steak, I think there's about 700-800 grams there. I just took all the bits of fat off it. There's still a little bit in there because it's a slow cook, right? Overall, probably 3 hours. You know, start with the base with a bit of garlic and chopped up onions, a little bit of fennel, good old fennel, some nice chopped up little small potatoes and some carrots, beef stock, thyme and tarragon. This one's got balsamic vinegar in it, a bit of red wine. A couple of bay leaves, tomato paste, that works. A little bit of flour. Oh, well, of course, what are we going to cook it in? My trusty casserole dish. Or is it a Dutch oven? I'm just heating up the oil now. We're just going to start with browning the beef. A little bit of salt and pepper. Pepper. Think the oil's hot enough, hope so. And we chuck them in. Not all of it at once, just bits and pieces. There we go, that's better. So I'll take those out. Some more in. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, we're back. I've had the onions on for a little while. I'm just going to put in the garlic and the bits of fennel that I chopped up. Put those in. Now what I didn't tell you about was my little jalapeno. You know those nice big fat green ones? They're not super hot. So we're going to go with the balsamic now. Let's put in the beef stock. That's in. The tarragon. Thyme, maybe not so much. Just subtle. Beautiful. That's it. Stir that in around. Let's do a bit of tomato paste. A couple of teaspoons, I think that'll do it. A couple of bay leaves, put them in. A teaspoon of sugar. Stir that around. Is that a cup of wine? Shiraz Cabernet. Sounds pretty good. Okay, I reckon the next step is our yummy browned beef. Here we go. Then put the flour in. Half a cup. Into the oven it goes. Well, that's it. It's in the oven, so it'll be there for 2 hours. So in the meantime, I reckon we'll probably play a tune.
How long you gonna stay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes!
So it's been in there for 2 hours. It's just time to put some carrots and potatoes. It's that simple. And then we'll put it back in the oven for another hour, and then that'll be it. Woohoo! Okay, carrots in they go. Potatoes, in they go. Okay, bay leaves out. See that? Oh yeah. Lid back on. Back in the oven for 1 more hour. Beautiful. Back. Baz's Stormy Beef Stew. From here. Woohoo! Looks pretty wild. Alright, so here we go. Potatoes, carrots, well, another one. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, yeah. A little bit of parsley on top, just. Okay, well that's it. It's something to have when it's stormy outside. I hope you will have a go at this recipe. So I hope you enjoyed it. All the music that we put on today, the guys are awesome, as always, fantastic. Thanks for your company. Hopefully see you next week with some more wonderful food and some great songs and great playing by the guys. We'll see you then, eh? Thanks a lot. Bye.
Lisa, I want some more.